Hello friends, in the playlist of Discovering Statistics using Jamovi, today we will learn how to handle the ranking questions. Find rank of 1 to the most important and 2 to the next important and 5 to the least important. Here 5 attributes have been asked: price, food quality, menu variety, service, location. Friends, if I ask this question from you, you have to give rank to each variable as 1 to 5. Which attribute is most important to you, give rank as 1, and which is least important to you, give rank as 5. Such type of questions are called ordinal scale questions. Friends, if I discuss about creating variables of such questions, we will create variable like this. In first column, I have written here respondent number. It is only for reference purpose. In second column, we have written price, third food quality, menu variety, services, location. All the attributes will be treated as variable. For single question, we have created 5 variables because price may get rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5 as this. Same like food quality, menu variety, services, location may get rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5. Suppose we have to make data entry. There is a person number 1, respondent number 1, who have given rank to food quality 1. Then I will write here 1. He has given rank 2 to the price. I have written only code 2 price in price column. He has given rank 3 to menu variety. He has given rank 4 to services, and he has given rank 5 to the location. It differs from person to person. As we can check for the respondent number 2. He has given services to 1. Friends, it differs. It depends on their demographic profile, their income, their education level, and gender also. So we are studying about ranking of these 5 attributes. Friends, we want frequency distribution of ranks assigned to different attributes. Frequency distribution of table of ranking of the attributes while selecting a restaurant for dinner, and we would like to know final overall ranking, final to these attributes. We have a file for this questionnaire. File name ordinal scale data while choosing a restaurant.omv. It is the extension of Jamovi file. Let's calculate. How to calculate? Our final output will be like this. I have already told you we have to calculate overall ranking. Price, tell me overall ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need overall ranking. How to calculate final output as overall ranking? Let's open the file in Jamovi. Click on Jamovi. File has been opened. We can check the variable list: price, food quality, menu variety, service, location. When I double click on price, variable view has been opened. Data variable price. In this questionnaire, price is an ordinal scale. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5. Because these options can be ordered in a logical manner. Same for food quality, menu variety, service, and location. How to handle this question? First of all, we will calculate frequency distribution for all these variables. In analysis, click on exploration, on descriptive, shift all these variables: price, food quality, menu variety, service, location to variables list. After shifting, here you can see the option frequencies table. Click on frequencies table. frequencies has been calculated for each variable. Let's check our output in output region. First, there is descriptive. Here n is 32 because we have 30 data of 32 respondents in our data file. Missing, nothing missing. We never calculate mean median of such data. Minimum maximum. Minimum rank given by respondent is 1, maximum rank given by 5. But for food quality we can check minimum rank 1, maximum rank 5. Means rank 5 has not been given by any respondent to food quality. Let's check the other output. In case of frequencies of prices, we can check rank 1. Means there are total 32 respondents. Out of 32 respondents, 4 respondents have given rank 1 to prices. 5 respondents have given rank 2 to prices, and 13 respondents have given rank 3, and 5 respondents given rank 4, and 5 respondents have given rank as 5. For other variables, this is the frequency distribution for food quality. This is the frequency distribution of menu variety. This is frequency distribution of services, and this is the frequencies distribution of location. Friends, it is very easy to calculate frequency distribution, but we need overall ranking. To calculate overall ranking, I will right click on it and copy the data. After copying it, I will paste this table into Excel. I have already pasted all this. I have pasted here all these frequency distribution table, frequencies for prices, frequencies for food quality, frequencies for menu variety, frequency for services, and frequency for location. Now I need to calculate overall ranking. To calculate overall ranking, first of all, we should need to understand meaning of ranking. Rank 1, we have given code as 1, rank 2 true. But rank 1 means what? Means the person has given more weightage. Rank 1 means more weightage. Rank 5 means less weightage. So we would like to give weightage. Suppose I am giving 5 points. Who has given as rank 1 means more points. Who has given as rank 2 means less point than rank 1. I am taking as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Friends, try to understand. Rank 1, code is 1, but actually more weightage, more points has been given by respondents. So in this case, if we would like to calculate overall ranking, total points here, overall ranking, then I have to keep in mind this weightage also. Now I am copying this data of price, Control C, and then this is the data is frequency distribution is in column, but I would like to paste in as row. In this case, when we would like to column data in row, we paste it as transpose. Friends, by pasting it, we can check paste special. In paste special, you can check there is transpose. Transpose, okay. Now you can check my column data has been pasted in row. In same case, I will use this command for food quality also. Right click, and in this cell I have to paste. We can use this transpose code here from also. Rank 5 has given by none of the respondent. I will put here 0. And for menu variety, select the data and paste it in the given space for menu variety using the command transpose. And in the case of services, let's copy the data and paste in the table. Control C, and I will paste it here using the transpose command. I have told you what does it mean by transpose. And one variable has been left, location. Copy this data and paste it in location row. Now our one table has been prepared, but now we have to calculate total points. Total points means 4 persons has given rank 1. If I would like to calculate total points, means 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 13 into 3, 5 into 2, and this rank 5, 5 respondents I will calculate with 1. To calculate total points, I am inserting here is equal to 4 into 4. I will select this cell and multiply by 5, plus then select this cell, multiply by 4, then plus select this cell, multiply by 3, then plus, then select this cell, multiply by 2, and then plus, and select this cell, for this it is I5 into 1. Now enter. Total points has been calculated, 4 prizes. Now drag this because Excel works relative. Now total points have been calculated for all the attributes. If I would like to give ranks, then I am going to use here rank function. Rank, double click on rank. Which number would you like to give rank? Then click on rank. Reference list. My reference list is this, and I would like to fix this reference list because for other variables I also would like to use the same list. Now click on enter. Now you can check prize has got third rank in overall this list. When I drag it for other variables, yes, we can check food quality has been given rank by our respondent, and services has got second rank, price third rank, menu variety 4, and location 5. Friends, in this way we calculate overall rank and handle ordinal scales question in our data set. Friends, I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you, my friends.